problems with dirty tanks and fuel quality can be a costly nightmare for your business. Leighton O'Brien provides a comprehensive solution for cleaning tanks and restoring fuel quality. We do this by a 3-stage process. First, we remove water, sediment and rust by traversing 100% of the tank floor and store this waste material in a settlement tank. The fuel is then circulated through clear hoses in a multifaceted process, including coalescing, fuel conditioning and filtering, which removes emulsified water and small particulate matter down to 2 micron size. Finally, the remaining fuel in the holding tank is drawn off the top, treated and returned to the tank, meaning only waste is removed and all your fuel is returned to the tank. Most tank systems can be cleaned in a single day, and all Leighton O'Brien tank cleaning services subscribe to the highest safety standards.